Hey, bud. Do you know what we're doing today? Do you know what we're doing today? Easter egg hunt. Oh, that scared you. My bad. It's an Easter egg hunt just for you. Oh my gosh. Hi, guys. First and foremost, want to say Happy Easter. Even I decided to get dressed up today in the usual dress and jean jacket look. Last year, after watching a YouTube video of one of my favorite creators, Jenna Marbles, she did an Easter egg hunt for her dogs. Last year, my friend Sam and I did that with our dogs, and so did Jules. So there was like 4 or 5 dogs looking for Easter eggs, and it was adorable. Well, cut to 2020. Can't be having Easter with anybody. So I decided that this time I was just going to try with just Guinness. We're going to get some eggs. We got treats. We're going to cut them up a little bit. And then hopefully A, he can find them. Or B, I don't know. I might have to help him open them up though. But I guess we'll see. We'll see what happens, huh? You ready for the Easter egg hunt? I'm only gonna be pissing off my neighbors, hopefully for like a minute tops, because I'm gonna throw him out onto the patio while I quickly hide the eggs. So you can see he's a small dog, so it's not gonna be hard to hide the eggs at, knee level. But we're going to go ahead and give that a try. So we're going to see if he can do it or not. If anything, he can find the eggs. But he's probably not going to be able to open up the eggs. That was the issue last time. So this video is really a video of me opening up Easter eggs for my dog. So here's what I was thinking. I've got there's a few bits in here, several treats. There's a lot in here, but I think I'm going to have to cut them down. I got some roasters. Obviously not going to be putting any bully sticks in there for him, but I'm going to cut up some dentist sticks as well. I've got my eggs. So let's see here. They're pretty clean from last time. Let's see. Let's start off with some roasters. He's watching like nobody's business. Okay. So that's an awfully big one. But you know what? He might need to smell it. So, got one egg. Hopefully, you guys are going to be like, wow, Lisa, this is the boring part. You're right. Me filling up the eggs for my son is the boring part. Now again, I took these back from when we did them last year with Sam and Jules. That was fun. But I think Guinness was more into it because there was competition, because he, like the majority of us in my family, are highly competitive, and he also got that, so that's great. Oh, quick coffee break. Which reminds me, shout out to my mother for getting me Caribou coffee, Dove chocolates, and the Little Mermaid for Easter. Thanks, Mom. We didn't ask for those specifically either. And again, this is very simple, and you're kind of like this is your dog. No, he's my son. He also deserves an Easter egg hunt. Okay, I'm just going to quickly finish up the last few that I have here, and then we're going to go ahead and throw Guinness outside real quick on the patio while I hide these. Hopefully he can find... Guinness, you ready? Are you ready? Okay, so I counted the eggs, and we have about 17 eggs. About 17. I counted them, guys. I wouldn't do that to you. I counted them. Okay, so I'm just going to place these on my bed for now, and then, Guinness, I'm going to place you outside real quick. I don't have them with me. Hi, thank you. Beautiful sun. I don't have them with me, but I'm going to throw you outside, hopefully for no longer than like a minute or two, because I'm just going to hide these eggs real quick, and we won't piss off our neighbors anymore. Wouldn't that be exciting? That'd be very exciting. And then I'll let you in, and then you got to find them. Okay? Is Mom losing her mind? Maybe. But it's okay. Alright. Let's do this. Okay. We did that very quickly. So now I'm going to open up. He was actually very good. There was no barking whatsoever. Also get some nice fresh light in here. Okay, goodness. Where'd it go? Oh, this is what I'm talking about. Ooh, you found one. What's that? Goodness, what's that? Look. Oh, there was a treat in there. Good job, bud. You only have 16 more to go. Are you excited? What's down here? I'm going to help him out, guys. Look, okay. Unsure? Look, you squeeze it. Oh, there's another little treat in there? Goodness. Look. Okay. I didn't know if we needed to speed this up or not, because, goodness, just focus on the treat that you have. I told you, he's not going to be able to figure out how to open them. As long as he can find them and touch them, we're fine. Alright, come here, Guinness. Oh, what's in that one? Oh, is that another crunchy one? Oh my goodness. I'm gonna have eggs everywhere. Do you see any over here? Oh, you found that one. I know, I'm just helping him out now. Oh my goodness. Need to dump it out for you. Take your time. Is it, what's that? Oh, it's, okay, good job. You touched it at least. Literally just gonna have eggs everywhere. Okay. Maybe we'll go back to, what's up here? What's this? Oh my goodness. Oh, it's a bit of a greenie. Oh my god. That's it. Look, empty. Empty. That's it. Greenies, he's got to walk away and eat them. That's how this works. During this small break, we're going to go get a sip of coffee. Did you finish it? Well, I'm not helping you until you finish it. As you can see, the only room we have blocked off is the bathroom. Bathroom's also where the trash lives. Which somebody loves the trash, so. That caribou coffee is good. Alright, did he go back to... Okay, he went back to eating it. So far, he's found 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 out of 17, which means... Okay, look, he's searching. He's searching. You getting the idea, bud? Are you getting the idea? Come over here, maybe. Look at you! I didn't even have to help you with that one. Oh, is that more greenie? Is that more greenie? 7, you got 10 more to go. Oh, look at you found it. See, you're getting the hang of it, you know. Eggs have treats in them. There's nothing more in there. It look empty. Okay. Oh, don't go too far. Either I'm just going to upset his stomach and he's going to puke later, which I'm not trying to do. Or he's definitely not going to be hungry for dinner. I hope it's the latter, to be honest. I think there's one more on this side, bud. Oh, not there. They're not always in the same spot. Look behind you. Oh! Oh, the other piece of that sweet potato and jerky. Well, I think you got all of them here in the living room, bud. Let's see. You want to come over to the office? No, those are the empty ones, Guinness. Those are the empty ones. But come over to the office. Oh, yeah. Had to stock up on toilet paper already. Come here. Can you find them in here? Look over here somewhere. Okay, you kind of touched that one. You touched the butt. Oh, the little piece fell. Look. It's empty. Guinness, it's empty. You ate that bit? Okay. No, that one doesn't have anything. Look. Oh, my goodness. Oh, is that even more? We love Rachel Ray. There's one more over here, bud. There's one more over here. Can you find it? Can you find it? It's over there. Look down. Look down. Oh, is there one in my shoe? Oh, my God. Well, that's what I have. You don't want that. Look, again, empty. That's your treat, bud. You don't want that now? All right, well. No, you had all the ones in there. Okay. You're almost done. Almost. You got the kitchen. And there's one near the bed. Come here. Oh, did Mom put one in your dish? Silly Mom. Is there one behind you? Over here? Look behind you. Okay. Did you find that? Oh. Did you find that one? What's over here? Oh, good job. Ooh. Okay, Guinness. There's a few. Oh, let's go right to the kitchen. Oh, you found that one. The last bit of the greenie. I'm going to verify because I'm already like, did I do all of them? Oh, that's the broken one. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Oh, I already forget where I put some. Or I'm not counting all of them. Sorry, you don't need to be facing that way. Guinness, there's one more. Oh, there's 2 up there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, maybe I didn't count right. Parents, is this how it normally goes? Where is there another one, Guinness? You sniff it out, bud, sniff it out. Oh, there you go. Good job. Okay, Mom's gonna go around and collect the eggs now, just to make sure she counted them right. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay. I only have 16. I swear I counted these. And I swear I've already forgotten where that last one is. Well, maybe I put it... Oh, yeah. All right. Guinness, I found the last one. Can you find it? Oh, you're too cute. Can you find it? Can you find it? You're so close. Come down here. Come down here. You're so close, Guinness. You're so close. Oh, we love you because you're cute. What's right behind you? Look down. Look down. There you go. Number 17. Yay! You found them all. And that's all you get. I'm so sorry. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I just thought about doing something silly and cute for Easter because, like many of you, can't be with my family this time of year. So, when you can't be with anybody, you just gotta do with the dog. It is what it is. Happy Easter, everybody. Aftermath. He is still searching. Just like a real kid, still searching. That's it, bud. I didn't do anything more. Oh, this is going to be my life for the next 10 minutes. Just, no, look, empty hand. We say Happy Easter! Happy Easter! Oh, boy.